Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set screensaver to display pictures in Google Photos on your Samsung mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, on your mobile device, click on your settings app on your phone and scroll down and click into display, and then scroll down again until you see screensaver will be right near the bottom, and then from here click onto Google Photos and then click onto the gear icon next to it, and then you got a whole different bunch of options here. So you can only use Wi-Fi for data, photos fill screen, animated zoom effect. And then if you got certain albums inside your Google Photos that you want to use for your screensaver, just simply click on which ones you want to use. So if I just want to use my downloads and Canva, so my screensaver will only show download and Canva images. Or if I only want to use download, I'll just click on download, and then once you've done that, click on back, and then from here you can click on preview to preview your screensaver on your mobile device. And yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.